Okay, the live streaming is on. Let me share the screen. Hi, Josh. You hear me, Josh?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Great. I think we can get started. So Patrick will not join today. Phelan also Wolf. So I will be hosting this meeting. I'm already sharing my screen. Can you see my screen? Uh,
Yes,
okay. Let's add my name. Okay. Yeah, maybe switch to the view. Okay, so here is today's agenda. I think some of the agenda items were prepared by Feynman. So first thing is we have the notation patch release 1.3.2 was released. I think this was added by Feynman, and we missing some actions. We also need to add the binary for winget and homebrew, right? Just check with Junjie and Shiwei. The GitHub Actions winget for Windows and Homebrew. And I remember for Homebrew, it will be automatically handled, right?
Not automatically handled, but someone in the community will do. Yeah.
Sorry, can you say that again?
So it's not automatically handled, but we will have someone in the community will help us to update the version for us.
You mean the Homebrew?
Yeah, yeah.
Um, so they will be approaching us or we approaching them?
Anyone can do that.
Okay, so just inform the Homebrew community that we have this new patch ready, right?
Uh, not. It can be any of the notation users.
Okay,
So if someone use the homebrew and update it, then there will be a PR. And if the homebrew maintainers approve that PR, then it's updated. But I haven't checked it yet. If someone has helped us to upgrade the version.
okay. So I'm thinking because this is a patch release related to security fixes, right? So it's better that we can, for the package manager, we can have the binary updated to the latest one. So do we need to take some actions for this?
So,
uh,
Junjie, can you check the homebrew version?
yes.
Yeah.
I think you have a look at Homebrew and also the Winget. For
Yeah.
GitHub Action, do we need wait for Patrick to update, or I can also update GitHub Action?
Uh,
Yeah.
I would suggest to update it soon because Patrick will be back in 5 days, right? Next week, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will update the dependence the new latest version for the GitHub app.
Yeah, thanks. Because it's security related, so it's better that we can update it as soon as possible. Otherwise, we can wait for Patrick.
Yeah, so Junior, can you just check you need to create PR for the GitHub Actions and the Winget, and check the version for the homebrew because it might be already updated.
Sure.
Okay. The next one is a Slack issue. So maybe let me share my screen for that. So I'm not sure whether you checked the message from the one user. Let me see how I can share the screen. Uh, let me switch to the Slack. I think it is this one. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's actually from Jacob, I think, and he mentioned that there is a CVE, and on the right side you see the latest messages. So basically, I asked him to check because we have the 1.3.2 patch released, right? I asked him to try to see whether the issue still exists. Um, yeah, but it seems we still we still have this one, uh,
Transmission plan brand.
sorry, Toddy, are you saying
Sorry.
something?
Yeah, sorry, I unmuted by mistake. Sorry.
Oh, I think there's still one vulnerability. Is this one right? Yeah, found in Windows 3.2. Any idea about this?
My question is, are they really vulnerabilities? It sounds like a static linked check.
Static link check.
If it's about the um, what is? Oh, I see. So, can you check the vulnerability that is that one? That is uh, Go package configured with permissive. It says permissive trust policies, partitioners susceptible to rollback attack from compromised registry. Uh, can you click that? Yeah, yeah, click that one.
Okay, if I click this, I switch it to another window you cannot see. So I think if we are clear about the program, let me switch again my screen.
Yeah, I think that's the one. And I'm not sure that one is a uh real issue.
Let me see, share again.
But we need to check.
This one, right? This is actually published by us.
Yes. So can you see the details? For example, click the first link in the yeah,
This
this
one?
one. Yeah, yeah. Yes.
This is from specification. Yeah, it's a long time ago, right?
Yes.
Uh,
And this issue. So basically, Jacob scanned our tool and reported that our tool has this issue, but this issue is a known issue, right?
yes. And we also publish this mitigation, right?
Yes. So even if we publish a 1.4 or 1.5 or 2.0, this vulnerability will still be scanned out from our binary.
Yeah. So is there a way that we can, yeah, let the user know it can be mitigated or because it will be a fact, right? And this is actually public accessible, right? This one.
Yes, because it's published.
Yeah, so I think one way is to share this to the user that this CVE actually can be mitigated. Is there any other way that you know that we can share this information so that we don't get this question asked next time?
It's hard because those reports are produced by the scanners, the vulnerability scanners, and the scanners logs into those CVEs and GitHub advisories because the CVEs are generated by the GitHub advisories, and
Okay.
it says there's no patch versions.
Yeah, unless I mean we really implement something else, right? So that we can remove this.
Yeah, a tricky way here is that the security advisory only applies to the package notation 1.0. Oh no, 1.0, notation 1. So once we have notation 2.0, this CVE will not apply, but it's tricky, right?
Yes. But yeah, you see here it's all versions. So I'm not sure whether V2 this will not be reported.
It will not because the path is different. The path is notation slash v2.
Okay. Okay. I think what we can do now is to share this published CVE, especially the mitigation part to the users. Okay, and also let him know that it will be always reported on notation 1.0, right? Because only mitigation provided for the user. Okay, then back to our agenda. We have another two issue. I think this was added by Feynman. Yeah, this one, since Josh is here, Josh, can you help to ask maintainers from AWS side to review this PR? It will update the specifications for support artifact type. So we need one maintainer from AWS side to review this PR. Josh, can you help to check with Wani or Meaning?
Yeah, is this? I'm just trying to remember which one is it? Is this the one? Because I remember there was a PR that we had discussed around some of the backwards compatibility conversations. Is that this PR or is that a different one?
Yeah, I don't know which conversation you refer to, but this one is related to the open OCI image specification that in notation 2.0, starting from notation 2.0, we will, this is for the specification changes, and later on there will be notation implementation. So for the specification, it is just to add this additional flag property for the signature, which complies with the OCI image specification.
Okay, I'll take a look.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm thinking of a different one here.
Yeah, please take a look. This is related to specification changes, so that with that we support the artifact type according to the spec, OCI image spec, and we also support the backward capability signature format. And then for the notation, the CLR, it will have another specification changes related to this. So this is for the notary project specification only. Yeah, please take a look and yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm just looking at this. I think because I remember we had a conversation that was around forwards compatibility, which is basically around the question of for signatures generated by notation 2.0, will they also verify on notation 1.1 or
Yeah.
1 whatever version?
Yes, that's specified in the specification from consumer side. Yeah, the notary project, for example, the notation as a reference implementation should support consume all the signatures.
Okay.
It's under this section. You can take a look.
Okay, take a look.
Okay. Close this one. There's another one also from Feynman. Yeah, I think Feynman resolved some comments, so it's better that we can take a look at this PR again. And also, Josh, you can also take a look at this one. Okay, so this PR was not approved by any maintainer yet, so we needed to take another look at this PR. Let me close this one. Okay, next one. There is an initiative that from the Ratify project, there is a proposal to move Ratify to the Notary project as a sub-project. So yeah, so maybe from notary project maintenance point of view, and also Josh, you can also check with this, check this with Wani Minion from AWS side, and also yourself to take a look at this proposal and let us know any comments. I will share this to the chat so that Josh, you can easily access it. Okay, so this issue is from not ratified projects. I think later on there will be a issue in notary projects about the movement from ratified to notary projects. I think that will be weeks after Feynman comes back from vacation. Yeah, but at this moment, so notary project maintenance, Josh, you can ask Wani Minin to take a look first.
Yeah, I can make sure it's in this.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, the last one is charge issues and the review the milestones. So before we go to the last topic, any other topics you want to discuss? Any from any participants? Junjie, I remember last time you brought up the one of the scenario related to the block signing. Is that proposal ready for review, or we will wait for more time?
I'm still working on it to consider some security cases. I think it's not ready yet.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's take a look at current issues. Let's check the notation. Yeah, we have this one opened by Jacob, and yeah, he's willing to take this, but he didn't take any actions yet. So this one we will keep following up. Okay, there's no new issue on the notation side. Let me check notation. Go. Okay, this is the artifact type we are talking about. Go vulnerability check. This is also proposed by Jacob. Yeah, so yeah, just we needed to Jacob to spend time on this. This one we didn't charge yet. It's about some test don't clean temporary data after the test run is finished. Junjie Shui, are you aware of this? Yeah, it's an issue related to tests.
So Yeah, it can be issue, but it's not a big deal. I think can be marked as the good for first issue.
Yeah, that's good proposal. It's related to test, and I think it's a small one. And yeah, we can ask support from the community. The label, right? Good first issue. This one. Okay. Okay, it's a small issue. We don't need to spend more time on this. Okay, that next one is also reported by Jacob, and we have assigned to him. Okay, this is a similar one. Yeah, I think the user Jacob willing to work on PR, so maybe we can assign this issue to him. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is from Patrick. So I think we already have this release, right? Yeah. We released it 2 weeks ago, so I think we need to close this one. I will close this one. Okay, we have one for 2.0. This was opened a long time ago.
I think next version should be 1.4 instead of 2.0. Yeah.
You mean this one?
No. I mean the Notary Kogo. The next milestone should be 1.4.
Yeah, we didn't create that yet.
Yeah.
So let me create that, but so try to understand this one.
This one is for code refactoring.
Okay.
Because it's a breaking change, that's why we put it into the 2.0.
Okay. Yeah, I think we can create the 1.4 later on once we have the issue agreed. So the PR, okay, this one should be on 1.4, right? Closing envelope.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think 1.3.0, we also need to close it, right? We already 1.3.2. So this one, let me close it. 1.4, we have two. Yeah, this one. Do we have some leftovers on this?
I think data CL has been completed. Yeah, we have completed data CL. And we can close this issue.
This is actually has been done in 1.3, right?
Yes.
Okay, then I will update the milestone and close this one.
In notation Kogo 1.3.
This is for notation Quogo. Why it is in notation Go?
Yes, maybe this PR is for revisit the impact of the data CL for notation Go package, but actually there's no need to change the notation Go package.
Okay, then I should say notation Quogo has implemented Delta CLI supported and support and no additional work is required on notation Go, right?
Yeah.
Okay, close with this comment. And I should move this to 1.3, right? Because this is what we check at 1.3 for notation Quogo, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw Shui dropped the call. Yeah, let me change it to screen. This is for notation Go. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look at the notation milestone. We are working on the beta 1. This diagnostic, cozy, and yeah, this one. This is I think it's okay. This is for artifact tab. This is for coach the hash envelope for blob signature, and this is the verbose. Okay. Okay. I think that's it. So anything else you want to discuss? Yeah, if no, we can end this meeting early. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you, folks.